Okay everyone, this is AnnaMarie with AnnaMarie Creations, and today I'm going to be making a tassel earring, and I'll be using beads and a sequence of colors. What you're going to need is one primary color. You're going to need 5 other colors that go in sequence, like from light down to dark, one end color, and of course a bead, a large focal bead, and then you're going to need bugle beads, and I am using a 1-inch bugle bead here, and also using number 12 needle and Fireline. So let's get started. Okay, I have my stopper bead on. I need a little tail, and I'm going to start by adding a large focal. Bring it down, and then I'm going to start adding 10 main bead colors. So there's my 10 main colors. Bring them down. Now I'm going to add one end bead, and then I'm going to start putting my sequence on. So I'm going to start with the light, come down to the dark, one of each, and it's nice to put them in the order that you want to use them, this way or this way. You don't want to go from here to here to here. You want to put them all in a sequence because you will get lost if you don't. So and there is my first sequence. See that? So of course we need an end bead, and that lets me know that's the end of that sequence. Now I'm going to put one bugle, and then since I ended over here with a white bead, I'm also going to end this with a white bead. Now here's where things change. Since I ended in a white and ended in the darker red, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with that color and move back around this way. And of course, end that sequence with a white. So there you go. It ends, the sequence starts here and ends here. Now I'm going to put 10 more of our primary color. There we go. And of course a white. And it's going to be going this way, so this is what we're aiming for. So since I ended on this white and ended on the lightest color, I'm going to start on that light color. So I'm going to one here, there. Now you know why it's important that you put the beads in the sequence that you want to use, because you will get lost. I've had to undo things because I did that. Of course, now the other side, I'm going to start with my bugle. Okay, and now we are right here. So now we're going to do the white. And since we are dark, we're going to do the dark and go back around. And of course, and with a white. So you can see how that is going. So this is where we're at. Let's move these up a little. So this is where we're at here. So now we're going to add our 10 primary. And go up through the main focal. Pull it tight. So that is the bead sequence that I am going to be using, and as you can tell, everything runs pretty coordinated there. You can make a whole bunch of these in different colors. All you have to do is change out this main color to a different color, like I did on this one. It's exactly the same sequence. The only thing is I had turquoise beads and I'm using black here. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of these and I will end it. So right now what I'm going to do is remove my stopper bead, and I'm going to give a little tie here. So now I need to make a hoop here, so let's do that by adding 7 beads. And what I'm going to do is go back through the main focal right there. There we go. There is my little hoop to hang my ear wire. Now that I'm back to the large focal, I'm going to start another sequence of beads. So I'm going to start with 10 of the main color. And for this part, I'll go ahead and speed it up, and you'll see what I'm doing. Okay, I am done with my bead sequence, and as you can tell, everything runs nicely. So now I'm going to put my 10 last beads here, and then I'm going to go up and secure it and tie it off. There it is. Now I'm going to go through these beads a couple of times. Okay, and there's one earring. All you need is a herring hook and you should be good to go. And you can make another set if you like. I am going to show you what I did as far as, and this is what I want to show you. Just by changing the main color, you get a different result. Same bugle beads, same bead sequence on every single one of them. Just the main color was changed. This is a light purple, turquoise, clear, green, and burgundy. So this is the same basic for the earrings that I created. The only thing is I added 5 instead of 2 for the earrings, and I put 3 little hoops that were a little bit longer, and I used about 15 beads around here. So this is all the same concept that we did here. The earrings are all the same. These are 2, and it's amazing how different they look just by changing the main color out. Earring wire, so it's a basic same earring. And here's another one. So if you want to make something that's easy and make a lot of, this would be one of those projects, because all you need is one set of bead sequence, and they don't have to be these colors. You can change them to any color you like, and choose one main color. And I mean, the concept is actually pretty easy. So what I would do is just buy one set and make a whole bunch of them. Even the bugle beads you can change out in the colors, and they would probably look really nice. So but these are the ones that I had on hand, and I had a lot of them, so I needed to use them up, and this is what I created. So I hope you like it, and you know, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I am going to be making a lot of tutorials that you can make mass production, should I say, of jewelry. So don't forget. And the necklaces are basically the same too. All I did was make a tassel instead of an earring, and I used the 5. I put 5 instead of 2. And the bead sequence, all I did was just be very repetitive through the whole thing, and added a clasp, and that was it. And it's actually very comfortable, very nice. It's on a beading wire, and I put them in a bag like this, and they fit real nice and flat. So if you need to take them to a trade show, you can do that, because they're fairly easy and very light. And like I said, you can be sitting there just making a whole slew of these. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this one. This is the black one, and I will show it to you at the end. Okay, everyone, the earrings are complete, and I want to show you what they look like. They actually came out really nice. The dark color does look good. Like I said, you can change this color out. Even these can be changed to whatever graduate color you want to use. You can make a whole bunch of these pretty quick. So, and the same thing with the bead here, you can change it out. This is just a basic pattern that I use, and it works for me. Here's where I would hang the ear wire. So these only have 2 little dangles, and this is the tassel I also completed. This one has 5 dangles, and it's exactly the same as this sequence. The only difference is here I've got 15 beads so that it can go onto a necklace or a chain, and this one I have 7. That is the only difference I did. So I'm glad, you know, you watched, and my next tutorial I'm going to show you how I made, here's a tassel that's completed, and it's hanging on a beaded wire with the same kind of bead sequence. What I'm going to do on my next tutorial is show you how I make this and add the findings. So just want to tell you, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on my next tutorial.